hurricane that hits Western North Carolina.
Right.
That was nobody has ever
Or
planned
if you've
for.
got,
Thought would
or
happen.
if you've got a hailstorm that hits the middle of Aurora, Colorado, and affects 30,000 homes, then you care. And that's the problem with insurance is you can't predict 100% where those disasters are going to occur. But as we continue to populate more and more areas of land across the United States, the likelihood of a natural disaster occurring in a populated area and therefore driving up insurance costs goes up.
And I'm sorry, I'm going to do this. If you watched last week's episode, we kind of broke down and we talked about the acquisition of federal lands. If we start acquiring federal lands in the Midwest where there is the most, and we have 90% in
most of it's mountain regions.
Yeah, mountain regions and like places like, again, Desert Valley where it gets to be 125 degrees. Guys, this is exactly what Jameson's talking about. Is it's great to have more availability, but there's so many
matters
things.
where it's at.
Exactly.
What's the one principle of real estate? The one principle.
They're not going to build any more land.
Location,
Yeah.
location, location.
Yep.
Right? If the only time I can build a subdivision with $500,000 houses in the middle of Rocky Mountain National Park, which, by the way, you can't do because of the cost of constructing, but let's say you could, where are most of the wildfires in Colorado?
Rocky Mountain.
Okay. So do you think that insurance is going to be absolutely insane? Yes.
Yeah.
Does that mean people are going to afford to live there? Probably not. So building houses there, is it going to help the housing market? No, the fuck it's not.
All right, guys.